Chinese multi-pronged intrusion inside Indian territory in Ladakh has surprised Indian military brass. Currently, they are grasping the situation without provoking. Chinese situation is very critical, and today's episode is all about the Sino-Indian standoff in Ladakh. Please stay tuned till to the end. Tensions are simmering since the revocation of Article 370, which has transformed the very status of the disputed territory on ground. Ladakh was converted into Union territory adjacent to Aksai Chin. Chinese troops came inside the Indian territory on three different locations in Ladakh. Among them, Galwan Valley is very important insofar as the geographic and geostrategic location is concerned. Chinese were compelled to preempt Indians who were busy constructing roads and other strategic infrastructure to augment their capability in this contested region. After multiple warnings, Chinese took this step and started amassing troops to disrupt this illegal activity by Indians and put boots on ground. Indian ambitions were very aggressive. They were consolidating their control through the military activity they were commencing in the region. Pakistanis and Chinese were already upset on the unlawful abrogation of Article 370. Now the scale of Chinese intrusion is exceptional. India lost almost 60 square kilometers of territory. Both sides have engaged in high-level military talks but ended in a failure without a major breakthrough. Modi Sarkar has kept a demeaning silence on this issue. Renowned analysts are warning that situation can escalate into a full-fledged military confrontation.